It is really an honor for me to be part of this great project, which will serve the students and families in this community for decades to come. I'm very excited to begin the work of opening a brand new, beautiful elementary school to support teaching and learning in this community. We have parents in the audience. We welcome all of you. This is just a really exciting day for the entire Stead community. We had a chance to visit with some of our parents who have first graders that will soon be enrolling in the new Stead Elementary School.
The Washoe County School District understands the importance of state-of-the-art facilities and how they benefit our students, our staff, and our communities.
Whether these years prepare them for success in a profitable profession, in a trade, a degree in college, or a career in the military, time spent in this incredible new school will lay the foundation for their future.